There's a sculpture in the lobby that's cool, but makes me sick every time I walk in and see it. Gives me motion sickness for some reason. Here's the reception. And then they got a bar down here at the lobby. And the valet parking is out here. That's the only option to valet park. And it is $75 a night for a hotel guest. My daughter came to visit and had to park her car in the valet, and she was parking there for about 4 hours, and that came to $75 to park in the garage here. So parking is expensive. All right, here I am at the Sunrose Hotel in Hollywood. Here is the bathroom. No bathtub. But we got a shower. Let's check out the products that it comes with. Molten Brown, London. Coastal cypress and sea fennel. Sounds kind of manly. All right. Ooh, look at that. Free scope. Okay. What else? Got the hair dryer. All right. Here's the bedroom. Huge TV and a desk, and we've got espresso Toria system. That's a new one for me. Okay, and here's the little mini bar. Let's take a look at these prices. $9 Coke. Okay, and then here is a couch. And let me show you the view. This is Sunset Boulevard. And there's the Comedy Store right across the street. And a little glimpse of the Hollywood Hills right there. So what can we see down here? Not much. And let's check out the closet. There's a steamer, a safe, drawer, luggage rack, and one robe. Pretty nice. Look at that bed. Here we are checking out the gym in the Rose, what is it called? Sunrose Hotel. Pretty nice. Anna, your opinion?
It's very nice.